A COVID vaccine is seen as the great hope, protecting health, securing the economy, a ticket back to normality. But the UK is only buying doses for those who are most vulnerable. That's 30 million people, less than half the population. Jack Summers volunteered for one of the vaccine trials. Despite the emerging risk of long COVID, it's by no means certain the young and healthy would actually be protected.
I think it will be quite a shock, and I think that probably results from the fact the government has told us so often that this is has told us about it in very simple terms, that there will be a vaccine one day and that will solve all our problems in one fell swoop.
The Vaccines Task Force has only bought doses on the assumption they'll be given to people over 50, those with underlying health problems, and to health and care workers. But with so few vaccinated, there's little prospect of herd immunity. The virus will still spread. This advisor to the World Health Organization says the first vaccines may only take the edge off symptoms, so the young and healthy may not benefit.
If all you know about a vaccine is that it's capable of preventing people from getting sick, then the only really logical thing you can do with it on that evidence is to try and stop people getting sick. And the people who get sick are pretty much the elderly.
Some countries are rolling out the vaccine to everyone. Herd immunity is the explicit goal of Australia to stop the virus spreading. Japan is hoping to secure enough doses to protect its population by next summer. And Germany has also said it's aiming for herd immunity. But the UK is not alone in targeting the vaccine at those most at risk. Canada is drawing up a priority list for the first available doses of vaccine, and Belgium is doing the same. Ethics experts say governments need to be transparent about who gets the vaccine.
It's unlikely that a safe vaccine, will be available in enough quantity for it to be distributed to the majority of the population in order to achieve herd immunity instantly, or at least very quickly. And so we have to make some difficult ethical decisions around allocation at that point.
The first one will be on your right arm.
Kate Bingham, the UK's vaccines chief and a volunteer in one of the clinical trials, told Sky News earlier this month that the first vaccines are likely to be only partially effective. They won't end the pandemic, but with luck, they'll stop so many people dying. Thomas Moore, Sky News.